If you're tired of rewriting the same emails over and over again, or wasting time hunting for the perfect response, you are going to love this video. Okay, so in this series, Mastering Gmail Templates, I'll show you how to create, use, organize, all the things when it comes to Gmail templates so you can save time, stay consistent, and respond faster. So whether you're brand new to Gmail templates or you want to sharpen your workflow, these quick tutorials will help you become a pro in no time. Let's jump over to my Gmail inbox and I'll show you. All right, welcome back and we to my inside my Gmail account anyway. So we are inside my Gmail account and what we're going to do now is we are going to jump inside and I'm going to show you how to edit a template that you've already created. Let's say you made a mistake on the way you wrote one, or let's say it's been, maybe 3 or 4 months and situations have switched with your business to the point that you're like, oh, you know what? That template needs to be just updated a little bit, right? Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to hit compose as if just like you would if you're going to just grab a template, all right? And then you're going to click the three little dots. You're going to go to your templates. Oops, you're going to go to your templates and you're going to select one. So I selected in this particular example, I'm going to show you because it's got first name twice. So I'm going to take that out because I'm like, let's say I discovered that was a mistake. Okay. And then let's say also I decided, I thought, you know what? I want this subject to say something different. So, oh, I don't know. Let's just say that I realized that, that doesn't really make sense. I want it to say something like, it's so great to hear from you. Or, maybe I just said, thank you for your inquiry, or thank you for reaching out. Anything, whatever makes sense to you. Now let's pretend, okay, use your imagination and let's pretend that all the things in brackets have been customized to me. So you see, I realized that this template had a mistake and I removed the high first name that was in there twice. I changed the subject. But let's say that I had another option for people. Then I could go here and I could add that other, I could add another option, right? So I could go in here and I could, let's just say, let's go up here and let's say that I decided, as an example, let's say I decided to make these bullet points actually. And so I said, I don't want to use the little dashes. I want to use the bullet points. And let's say that these things were all customized to my business. And then here I wanted to add a third option for my reply. Okay. Then I could put that in there. And then, of course, anything else that I need to change or update, I could do. Now, after you've made all the changes that you want made, but I want to explain how simple this is to save so that you understand that it's super easy to edit a template. You don't have to necessarily start over from scratch. So you click the three little dots, you go back to templates, and you're going to save the draft template, but you're not going to save this as a new template. You see these up here are the two that are in my library, the reply to a new inquiry. And you see up here in the it's very, very lightly written, but it's overwrite template. So I want to overwrite the template reply to new inquiry. So I'm going to click that one and it says, it's just making sure. Are you sure you've not made a mistake? Are you sure you want to overwrite this saved template? This will overwrite your saved template, reply to a new inquiry. Yes, I'm sure, I've made the changes, but understand that even if you want to update it 3 or 4 or 5, 10, 15 times, that's all these are the steps are so simple. So I just hit save and now it's been saved, exits down smaller and it's gone. So now if I were to go up here and hit compose, click my three little dots, go to my templates, go to new inquiry, and you see it's only got the first name once, has all of this. Okay, now I don't know why it's not saving the subject. That's very odd because it normally will save that subject for you. So I'm going to look into that and I'll put any updates below this video to clarify. But what I'm going to do first though is I'm going to go ahead and change this one more time. And honestly, I'm glad this happened because I want you to know that, you know, it's not just Gmail. It doesn't matter what program you're working in. Periodically, things change. Like they just change. So I'm going to hit options. I'm going to go to templates and I'm going to save it. I'm going to hit save draft as template, but I want to save it to overwrite the reply to new inquiry. And yes, I want to save it. Okay, we're going to hope it's saved that time. Like I say, if there's any updates to this, I will drop that in the comments, down below this video so that what that is. So I hope you found this helpful. That's it for this quick Gmail tip. If you found it helpful, I want you to make sure you check out the rest of the Mastering Gmail Templates playlist, all right? And this is to streamline every part of your email game. The links are listed below this video for you. And also, don't forget to grab your free copy of 10 email templates every online entrepreneur needs in their inbox. I'll also drop the link to this below so you can grab your free copy.